Hey, what's up, good people? Shelby here. Welcome to my channel. If you are new here, then of course, first, welcome. Second, are you a subscriber? If you are not, go down to the bottom, hit the like button, hit the comment button, turn on the bell button, leave me a comment. Let me see. Tell me what your firstborn child's name is or will be, the one that your best friend might steal when she has her first kid. You know they might do it. And then you have to decide, is that still my friend? So many decisions to make, but not right now. For now, we're just going to hop into a fun video. If you're following me on Instagram, then you probably saw my visit to TJ Maxx to go and see about the deals that they have. Like, I went shopping and it felt like I was like bargain basement shopping. And I got to tell you, I'm here for it. Like, I found some nice stuff. It's not new stuff, but it's new to me. Boom. That Subculture palette. What? It's only been out for like 3 years. But you know what? I ain't have it yet. And I got it for a deal. You know what else I got? Boom! This is a lipstick, lip liner, and lip priming set from MAC. All in one box. If you want to see the look that I make with these new to me goodies, stay tuned and let's hop into the video. Don't mind the tape. It's a little bit beat up. Subculture looks like it might have fell down some stairs, you know, or down an elevator shaft. That's not the point. What we're going to do is we are going to put these goodies on my face and they are going to be lit. I have some bad news. Okay. Let's start with Subculture. Subculture, which apparently I'm going to keep putting in the shot upside down. Subculture, perfectly fine in her little case. No breaks, no cracks, no scratches, no nothing. She's legit. The MAC Lip Prep Nude box is missing some pieces. It has the primer. It has the lipstick. Someone pilfered the pencil. Now, I've looked at the goodies, and as far as I can tell, they're unused. And I've prayed over them and over my face, and I've disinfected them. So I am trusting that they are untampered with. But if you don't see me for a little while, it's probably because I had to have a lip transplant or something ridiculous. First thing we're going to do is we are going to put some concealer / base on the eyes. I'm going to go in with my MAC paint pot, and this is in the shade Painterly. And I'm going to go ahead and just prime my eye. I'm planning to do my eyes first because if I recall correctly, among all the other things that were said about it, Subculture has some fallout. So I'm going to do my best to avoid the whole fallout fiasco and just do my eyes first. Hey, how many of y'all are Game of Thrones fans? Did you watch that episode? Did you? Did you huddle in a corner and cry afterwards? It's like the highs, the lows, my feelings were in every single shot, and I need a break from the world, man. Like, I almost considered not going to work the next day. Like, I am emotionally traumatized, but I'm also very happy. This is Subculture, and she is gorgeous. I can understand people being tempted. This, nice little velvet cover, being tempted, to make this happen, and being really sad when it fails. So we're gonna give it a shot. I think I might even try to match my nails. What? Let's try that because the colors are here. I'm going to put this in my crease. Ooh, pigment. Yes, pigment. This is that kind of deep foresty green that makes me feel like if I were in a Disney movie or in a Game of Thrones episode, this is what the forest would look like. The next color I'm going to go in with is Roxy. Ooh, she's cute. Pink and green. Pink and green. And in between those two, I'm going to go in with Fudge right on that transition. I'm going to go in with a little bit more paint pot and kind of redefine / clean up my lid so that I can start with a blank canvas to go in, and I might not cut my crease, I'm not sure yet. Now, going in with a little bit of Untamed, I'm going to bring in this outer corner rather. And I gotta say, I was expecting way more fallout. Maybe when I get to the other colors, I'll get more fallout. But so far, I haven't seen much. Next, gonna hop in with Destiny, which is the other green in the palette. This nice olivey, kind of army-ish green here. Going into my color switch. Get some of that color off. If you don't have a color switch, you should definitely look into it. I don't think it's just a pro tool. I think it's just a good tool. A friend gave it to me, and I have been in love with it. Next, I'm going to go into New Wave, which is the darker of the two yellows in the palette. Ooh. Oh, this is a pretty color. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. What were the names of the people that didn't like this palette? We need to circle back with them and see if they came to their senses. My goodness gracious. Oh my god. Look at I just want to keep putting it on. Oh my gosh. It's a gorgeous color. I think I'll do the next yellow, which is Edge. Ooh, I like the way that, like, it's not a distinctly different color, but it's like the eye looks kind of contoured. Ooh, that is impressive. So the inner corner, I'm going to go in with Electric, I think. Yeah, I'm going to go in with Electric. Ooh. Ah, can you even, oh my god, can you stand this? This color. Oh my. Oh yeah, Subculture. I didn't know I was going to like you this much, but I am a fan. And then just because we're here, I'm going to add Adorn right between the yellow and Electric. And then I'm going to use the blending brush, the clean blending brush on the end of the palette brush, to just go over some of these edges. You can go side to side or up and down. Honestly, I think that there probably is a rule of thumb, but whatever works for you, I'm going to tell you, go ahead and do it. And then, just because I'm having a little bit of an extra moment, I'm going to go in with my Huda Melted and Matte shadows. I'm going to roll some of it on the back of my hand. I think I'm going to try to define that cut with it. Let's see how this goes. Okay, so that, I like the glitter that it added. I'm not sure if it's exactly what I was thinking of in my head, but I like where it is, so I'm going to go with it. I'm going to line my upper lid with the Maybelline Master Precise liner in black. I didn't do a big wing because there's a lot of darkness out here and I don't really want, the wing would disappear anyway. So I'm just going to leave it where it is there and then carry on with, I guess, my other eye. So I'll be back. Okay, I got questions because this palette, like, the colors are incredible. The pigment is dope. There's like no fallout, and I just think they're really pretty. I did both eyes, and I I also added Urban Decay and Whiskey and Marc Jacobs in Grape to my lower lash line, just to give my eyes a little bit of that poppy-ness that you get with very lovely brown eyes. I'm going to go ahead and add some mascara to my upper lash line and let that dry while I do the rest of my face. Pat McGrath. This is the Fetish Eyes from Pat McGrath. And this mascara is banging. Pigmented, really, really good hold. I don't know if it lengthens or if it just gets every single inch of, or millimeter of your lashes and just like booms them out. I don't know, but it works. I'm going to zoom you out. We're going to do the rest of my face. All right, so I've already primed my face with the Ole Henriksen Banana Bright primer. Yeah, the brightening primer, the new one. And I'm going to go in with my Dior Forever foundation. I'm still working my way through this really good sample that I got. I think I got this sample just before I started my No Buy April. It smells really good. Going in with a beauty sponge from Beauty Bakery in these really awesome colors. I think it comes in, let's see, it comes in pink and turquoise, black, and I think that's it. And I thought it was so cute that she released the black ones during Black History Month. I was like, oh, I want that. I don't think I got them though, and I can't remember why. Oh, because I have 6 of these. A pack of these. There's 6 in a pack, and they are 18 bucks. One beauty blender is 18 bucks. Like, come on, fam. They're a little bit more dense, but I like them. I definitely like them. And, you know, support Black business. You know, shout out. Black owned, woman owned, just fabulousness. If you haven't tried the Dior foundation, don't be turned off by what appears to be a limited shade range, because I feel like they don't have like, you know, 40 shades, but they do have really good shades, great undertones, and like even with this one that isn't like the Radiance formula, they have this like really nice natural skin matte glow that I'm so here for. Oh, and I did my brows, and for my brows, I actually used this Iconic London cushion, let's see, cushion brow situation. And it has a little applicator, which I don't use because I think it's a fail, but it has a dark color and a light color. This one is in the shade, actually medium. And this is an incredible little situation. Like, I got this in a kit and I was like, I'm never going to use this. This is dumb. I hate it. Well, I hate it because, like, you know, it didn't do nothing to me. But I'm surprised by how much I like it. So I've been using it a lot, and the brows it's been giving me have been like impressive, fam. I mean, to me, you could tell me if they don't look good, but tell me in the comments, way down in the comments, after you tell me all the things you like. Going in with the Huda Overachiever Concealer in the shade, let's see, in the shade Peanut Butter. Yup. I'm actually going to go in with a little bit of the Tarte Shape Tape in Medium Tan Golden. I'm just going to add a little bit of lightness here, and there, a little there, and there. I'm flipping my bow up because I don't want to get contour on it. I'm going in with the Bobbi Brown foundation stick in the shade Espresso. Espresso? Why do I like saying it like that? I don't know why. Because it makes me happy. Do a little bit here. Not too much on the sides. I've already got a pretty good cut because of the concealer down at the bottom. And a little here. I'm going in with a lovely brush from Luxie. It's a small contouring brush. I love this brush. It came in, man, the BoxyCharm, the Festival BoxyCharm collection. Probably one of the best things in that whole collection, I gotta say. And that whole box, man, like, ooh, okay. Yeah, it's just a really, really great brush, and I had been wanting a brush like this because I love my beauty blender and I love what it does, and even some of my bigger brushes are great, but this is just so focused and disperses the product so well. Look at that. Going in with my concealer brush, I'm going to blend in my nose contour down from the brow and back up. Shout out to Shayla for showing me this. We were sitting around the dinner table, and no, we weren't around the dinner table. I was watching a video, but I was like, "Ooh, her nose is snatched. I sure hope she shows us." And then she did. Let's do some powder. I'm gonna go. Why did my voice get all deep like that? Let's do some powder. I'm gonna go in with the hazelnut and banana powder from Fenty Beauty. I love these. I put them away for a little while just because I feel like I was using them like I had no other powders, which I kind of was, honestly. But that's okay. That's what you're supposed to do with stuff you like. Use it. So, for the rest of my face, I'm going to go in with this MAC Holiday, MAC Shiny Pretty Things Face Compact. I'm going to go in and I'm going to use the blush and the highlight. I don't think I need any more cuts. I'm good without any more cuts. I'm good. So, let's start with the highlight. I'm going to go in, and this, I don't know if it has a name. It's Extra Dimension Skin Finish in Soul Glow. Soul Glow, I remember that. in Soul Glow. So I'm just gonna. Oh yeah, yeah, I remember you. I remember you. Y'all remember that Sleeping Beauty song? I know you. I walked with you once upon a dream. If you don't know, you should know. It's a piece of American history. It's actually a terrifying story if you think about it. But the music is good. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna do my under eye. Then we're going to spray and then we'll do lashes. And I'll go ahead and put the I got the juice. I'm gonna put the lash glue. I don't know what's wrong with me today, guys. A little crazy. A little bit crazy. But maybe I'm always just a little bit crazy. Am I always? I am. I am. Always just a little bit. Gonna go ahead and put the lash glue on. And then we'll do my under eye. So using the Subculture palette again, I'm pretty much going to put, let's see, yeah, all the stuff that's above the crease, I'm going to put in my lower lash line. So that's going to be Untamed, Fudge, and Roxy. All right, so lashes are on, hair is done. We got some cute little, earrings. My sad little set. I'm going to start with my primer, the lip primer from MAC, and then we'll go in with the lip. Line my lips with the Molasses lip liner from Sephora because, once again, someone pilfered what was in my little kit. And I did clean off the goodies that were inside. And yeah, we're just going to go ahead and go in. This is the color Velvet Teddy. But she's pretty, and I see why she's popular. I'm going to go in also with a Neat Freak Gloss from the Shayla Times Color Pop. Dang, this was like round 1 collection, and I'm on like dregs right now. So I probably need to get some more. Another one that's really great, and I'm going to put this on with my finger so I don't mess up the applicator. Another one that's really great from ColourPop, also by an influencer, is that Netta Gloss from the Ellery collection. If you can find it, you should get it. Okay, so that is it, folks. This is what the lip looks like. This is what the face looks like. I'm digging it. I like my mix of TJ Maxx and Sephora and drugstore all in one look. I don't think I have anything else to share with you. I hope that you like the look. I hope that you like the eyes because they were a challenge, but I feel like they came out really good. Shout out to the Huda Melted Shadows for, coming through for the cut crease. Yeah. So thank you so much for watching. If you are not already a subscriber, go down to the bottom, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, comment, thumbs up, just join the family so that next time I post some hotness, you will be aware of it. And if you are not following me on Instagram, do so. It's like right here, should be right here on the page, and the subscribe button should be right up here. Well, not the button, but the sign should be here-ish, Anyways, thank you so much for coming, and you have an awesome day. Ciao for now.